Welcome to a deep dive into the Amazon Echo Show 21, a revolutionary smart display designed to transform your home experience. This device serves as your central hub for entertainment, smart home control, and seamless communication, all within a sleek, modern design. Boasting an impressive 21-inch 1080p display, the Echo Show 21 offers ample space for all your visual needs, from streaming videos to displaying cherished photos. It seamlessly integrates Amazon's Alexa voice assistant and Fire TV, allowing you to effortlessly stream content from popular services like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. Beyond entertainment, the Echo Show 21 is a powerful smart home controller, enabling you to manage compatible devices with simple voice commands or a touch. Its built-in 13-megapixel camera features auto-framing, ensuring crystal clear and engaging video calls with friends and family, keeping you perfectly centered. This device is perfect for entertainment enthusiasts, offering a large screen for movies and TV shows with its integrated Fire TV functionality. It also excels as a kitchen companion, helping you follow recipes or watch videos while you cook, making meal prep more enjoyable. The large 21-inch screen provides an immersive viewing experience, making every detail pop, whether it's a movie or your favorite photos. With Alexa Voice Assistant, you gain convenient, hands-free control over music, alarms, and all your smart home devices, simplifying your daily routines. The enhanced audio, featuring dual 2-inch woofers and dual 0.6-inch tweeters, delivers superior sound quality compared to smaller Echo Show models. Functioning as a Zigbee hub and supporting Matter, it allows direct connection and control of a wide range of compatible smart home devices. Customize your home screen with personalized widgets for quick access to information and controls, tailoring the experience to your preferences. The Echo Show 21 stands out with its versatile functionality, combining entertainment, communication, and smart home control in one elegant device. While it offers improved audio and seamless integration with Amazon services, it's important to note its premium price point and large size. Setting up your Echo Show 21 is straightforward. It's designed for wall mounting with included hardware, though a stand is available separately. Simply plug it into a power outlet, connect to your Wi-Fi 6E network for faster speeds, and log in with your Amazon account. Finally, customize user profiles, widgets, and connect your smart home devices to fully personalize your Echo Show 21 experience. The Amazon Echo Show 21 is more than just a smart display. It's a comprehensive digital assistant ready to enhance every aspect of your home life.
I've got a cold blood romance. It's beautiful.